Okay, we will start the session. Only 12 students are joining. We will wait for 5 minutes for student. Okay, yes, okay. Hello, very good afternoon and happy Diwali to all. Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Happy Diwali.
okay. We will start the session. Yes, all of you perform the practical of data type. Yes, all of you perform the practical of data type. Yes, anyone perform the practical? Yes, student.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anybody want to share your screen? Basic data type. Yes. Anyone wants to share your screen? Data type. Yes. Please give me reply if you are ready. If you are ready, I make you co-host now and do it our first practical. Okay. Okay. Our next point. All of you know about our figure diagram in yesterday's session. Having the diagram. Yes. All of you know about this diagram. Yes. This diagram collection of data type. First, numeric, integer, complex number, float. Yes. Anyone to do it the practical of integer, complex number and float? Yes. All of you perform the practical? Yes or no? We will go ahead for next data type. Yes. Yes. Next one dictionary. Next one boolean. Next one set and sequence type. And then our sequence type, they're having string, list and tuple. Okay. We will perform the dictionary, boolean, set and sequence type in our session. Okay. Yes. All of you understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay. Our sequence type. Explanation of our sequence type data structure. Data Python. Okay. Sequence type in Python. What is sequence type data type? Okay. String. All of you know about string. It is a collection of character. Yes. Am I right? Yes. It string is a collection of character, means sequence of character. Okay, the string can be defined as a sequence of character represent in the quotation mark. Okay, if you write single quotation, no any problem. If you write double quotation, no any problem. Okay, and next one, list. Okay, list also having, list can contain data different type like numeric, character. Okay, the list can contain data of the different type. The items stored in the list are separated by commas. If you write number or string, but if you do go for comma, separated with commas with square bracket. Okay, list having the square bracket. Okay, next one, tuple. All of you see my screen? It is visible to all? Yes? Yes? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Okay. Okay. Next one, tuple. Tuple, tuple represented by curly bracket. Okay.
Yes.
Means tuples also contain the collection of atoms with different type. Okay. Different data type in the in this atom, tuples are separated with commas. Okay. Okay, we will see the practical demo of the string, list, and tuple. Go for all of you. Example, remember it. I am doing the practical right now. What we will study right now, string, list, and tuple. We will see the practical demo of these three data type. Open ideally. Okay. New file. Write it script mode. I am writing into script mode. Okay. मी एकत्रच प्रोग्राम करते. तुम्ही स्ट्रिंग, लिस्ट अँड टपलचा वेगळा पण करू शकता सेल मध्ये. वन लाईन राईट इट in this cell and run it. One line, write it and run it. Okay, it is also okay. I am taking directly script mode, three data type in one program. Okay, all of you understood? Yes. Yes. Okay, see here, file, first save as save as same name, Aishwarya. Aishwarya, TY. Aishwarya, your roll number? Yes. Okay, they're having no any. Aishwarya, 14. Okay. String.py, extension with py. Okay. First, we will see a string 1. Okay. Write it single quote. Welcome to third year. Third year. Next one, list. List 1 is equal to, print it 1 comma string Aishwarya. Next roll number. Tell me, anybody want to say? Yes. Yes, student. Aditi. Okay. Aditi. Okay. Next one, tuple. All of this is the only data type we will represent with curly bracket. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Okay. See here. Anything print here? Yes? No. Why? We will not print it right now. Yes, print it. Print str1, comma, print list 1, print tuple 1. All of you, anyone having problem of found or program? Yes? Then run it. Okay? All of you see this screen? Welcome to third year. List print it and tuples also print it. Yes? Anyone having problem? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Anyone want to perform the program data type? Okay. We will see the next 3 data type. 2 data type. It is also important. Okay. Set and dictionary. Okay. Our the next data type is set and dictionary. What is set? Set is also unordered collection like a list. Okay. All of you understood? Like a list also work as a list. Okay. Set is an unordered collection of data type. The set is created by using built-in function set. Okay. Like a sequence element is a passed in curly braces and separated by with commas. Okay. All of you see the working of list tuple. It is also same like a list and tuple. Okay. Set it is also one of the data type, collection data type. Will collect the data of number, string, any format. Okay. Next one, dictionary. Dictionary having the unordered collection, but somehow how the difference of key value pair. Okay. If you write key and their value. Okay. Like this string ABC. Aishwarya having the 14 number. 14 is a key. Yes. And Aishwarya is your name. Okay. All of you understood? Dictionary is unordered set key value pair of atom where each key store specific value. Okay, there have all of you having the your roll number. It is your key. Yes, and yes, all of you understood. Yes, wherever value in the arbitrary object. Okay. Next one, list tuple set and dictionary. We will see the practical. Okay. See here, set 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Aditi. Next, dictionary. Dictionary 1 is equal to roll number 1, A division. Roll number 1, A division. Okay. Roll number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me your name.
Aarti Bankar.
Yes. Aarti.
BANDGR. Yes, ma'am.
BAND.
NDGAR.
Okay, बंद कर. Next one, roll number 8. Roll number 8 is here. We will write dictionary. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is your name?
ऋतुजा ढेकणे.
ऋतुजा ढेकळे का?
ढेकणे DHEKANE.
ढेकळे. बरोबर. Yes.
NE.
NE.
KANE.
KNE. ढेकणे. Okay. Yes. Anyone want Aishwarya? Roll number 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Am I right? Your name is right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here. We will write it here, dictionary, and we will run it right now. Yes. All of you see this 0. We will not write it here. Okay. Save this change and also run it once again. See here. All of you see this screen. Okay. No. Why it is not printed here? Save as. Save this change and run it. Okay, we will change your this name once again. TYENTC. T1.py. Okay, save this, but we will not print it here. Okay, print it. Set 1. Print dictionary 1. Okay, and then run it. This program, save this module, and all of you see this screen. Welcome to third year. List printed, tuples printed, and dictionary set printed and dictionary. But I am telling you the first function. We will want. I am want to check my data type. Data type. What will be used the function? Yes. Anybody want to tell which function we will use to check the data type? Yes. I want to check the data type of the program. Okay, we will write the one line dictionary, but I want to check the data type. Which function we will use? Yes. Which function we will use? Naneshwari, mute yourself.
Update.
Amar, yes. Which data type, which function we will use to check the data type of the function? No, which function we will use to check the data type? Yes.
Type in bracket.
Type in bracket. No, Amar, don't say type in bracket. Okay, say like this. Type function we will use. Okay, type function we will use. Okay. Yes, Amar. लक्षात आलं?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. All of you see this screen. Yes. Suppose you write it type like this. Okay. This is the type function. Okay. All of you understood clearly. Okay. Yes, we will write it. We will write it here. Type function. Type 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 function. Use it here. Type okay, and once again check it. What is the type of the function? All of you see the screen. Class string, class list, class tuple, class set, and class dictionary. Okay, all of you understood this point? Yes. Yes. All of you understood this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will see the string, list, tuple, set, dictionary, okay, and list and tuple. What is the difference between list and tuple? Okay, list is a mutable. Okay, we will change it anyway. Okay, tuple it is immutable. We will not change it. Okay, and list will be indicate with a square bracket. Okay, and tuples with represented with parenthesis. Okay, we will see the next point. What is the variable? Okay, all of you know about it. Variables. Yes. What is the variable? Tell me what is the variable in C? What is the work of variable? Yes, my screen is visible. Okay, why we need to variable in the any language? Yes, data type and value we will store in one of these temporary storage space. We will call this variable. Okay, we will store a temporary storage space. We will call variable. Okay, means suppose we will write it here. Open it here. Close it here. Open it. I really open it. Yes, we variable we will store temporary value. Okay. Yes. Yes, Amar, tell me in Marathi what is the use of variable in C? Yes, Aishwarya.
Storing the data, ma'am.
Yes. Storage. Yes, absolutely right. Use for storage. Yes. If you write it here, a variable, okay, and a is equal to 25. Okay. 25 is you are storing the value for variable a. Yes, am I right? Store the values of 25 into a variable a. Yes. Store the data of 25. Yes. And print it a 25. Suppose I want to print a variable. Write it Aishwarya. Yes. Aishwarya. Then a is equal to Aishwarya. Yes. Am I right? Yes. All student give me
Yes, right.
reply. Only 15 minutes remaining. Yes. Suppose A is equal to, I am write it here. Krishna. Okay. Krishna and double quote. What is the error here? End of the line. Yes. End of the line scanning string literals. Okay. What is the error here? We will use it single quotation. Yes. But I am end of the line using double quotation. Yes. Am I right? This is the error. Yes. Yes, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We will change it. Krishna is equal to Krishna. Okay. Means data value can be stored in temporary storage space. It is called as variable. Okay. All of you see this box? It is called student variable. Yes. But what is the value? What is the string store it into student variable? John. Okay. Next one, example. We will store a variable 10 and B variable 20. Okay, 20 will value stored into B variable and 10 value will be stored in A variable and perform the operation A plus B, A minus B, A into B, A divided by B. Okay. Python tokens, it is most important part in our each and every program. We will use it. Python tokens and every program. Okay, every program and each program. But all of you perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operation. Yes, all of you perform it. I am giving you task of 5 minutes. Perform the operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Yes, perform it right now. Take it 5 minutes. We will go for next point. Yes, सगळ्यांना समजलं का काय टास्क आहे ते? Yes, Aishwarya. Naneshwari, mute yourself. Yes. समजलं का तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना टास्क? A plus B, A minus B ऑपरेटर्स परफॉर्म करायचे आहेत सगळ्यांना. ओके. And tell me if your task is over, tell me. I am give the access of host, co-host, and then you share your screen. Okay. Aishwarya, Amar, is it okay for you? Yes. Yes. Please give me reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do it program and then only use it print function. I'm not go for if else, for loop, any loop. I'm you give you the simple task, perform the store the one variable to take two variables, store the two value of two variable and perform the those operation a plus b, a minus b, a into b, a divided by b. Okay, take it 5 minutes and then over it pick me. I'm over it program. All of you perform and then tell me I am over. Maya is over, and then I'm give you the access of co-host. Please make it fast. Yes, Amar, but perform it. I'm give you the time of 5 to 10 minutes. Perform it and then share the screen. Okay. Yes, if you this program you take I'm type it code of the chat. Yes, absolutely right program. But divide by operator, divide by I am there into gunile. Amar, into operator is wrong and there is a minus. Okay, take it subtraction here and bhagi divide by. It is wrong to print. This is the mathematical operators. But in the program, if you are having mod divide by, yes, Amar, do it. If you are doing mobile, install Python Droid 3. Yes, and do it 5 minutes.
Yes.
Take it 5 minutes. Yes.
काय तर काय घेऊ वांग दे दही दे बापड्या जेवरे
Mute yourself, Krishna.
मला
Krishna, mute yourself. Yes. Aishwarya, over. Program is over. All of you perform it fast. Then we will move for the next Python tokens. Yes, over it. Aishwarya, Arti, Vijay, Srishti, over it program. Yes. Please give me reply. Yes. Please give me reply. Rohini, Sakshi, Naneshwari, Prajakta, Shreya, Amruta, Smita, Pratiksha. Yes, anybody? Please give me reply. Vaishnavi. Yes. Roll number 6. TYB. Naneshwari. Over. Naneshwari. I make you co-host now. Yes. Give me reply. Yes. Naneshwari. Yes. I make you co-host now. Please give me reply. Okay. Yes, anybody want to share your screen? Be ready. I am a co-host now. At least A division 1 and B division 1 student. Okay. Naneshwari, if you are here, then unmute yourself and say yes or no, because so many lists are vast. To check your name, it is my overall difficult to check. Okay, please unmute yourself and tell me I am here. Yes. Any another student here? She left the meeting. I think so. Here is not available. Yes, anyone want to share your screen? Yes, student, please give me reply and please active. Yes. Who is the CR of TY ENTC A division and TYB division? Yes. Let us speak. Okay. Do it the one WhatsApp group of our division. Two division. Whole one group. Okay. Only by ESL 3. ESL 3 and add yourself. Make it one group. Add it me. Okay. TY and TYB. Same group. One group. Okay. ESL 3 lab. Okay, and added me and pasted your program in this WhatsApp group. Okay, I will check it one by one. Okay. Yes, am I right? My point is clear, Aishwarya. Yes. Vijay.
Yeah.
Aarti. Amar. Yes.
ma'am.
Do it one group, A and B division. Both are combined and do it group ESL 3 lab. Okay, and do it the program and paste it this group. Okay. Yes. Okay, we will go for next point. What is variable? Variable store the temporary storage space. It is called variable. Okay, we will store temporary value. Okay, our next point, Python tokens. It is most important point in our program. If you write single program hello world, all 4 point is available in our program. Yes, am I right or am I wrong? Yes, please give me reply. कोणीतरी रिप्लाय द्या का कोणीच देणार नाहीये. हा ना, काहीतरी.
Yeah, ma'am.
हा मॅम.
समजलं का तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना? काय काय यूज करतो आपण? मी म्हणलं आता
Yes,
काय,
ma'am.
आपण हे 4 मेथड मीन्स 4 पॉइंट आपण प्रत्येक प्रोग्राम मध्ये यूज करतो. येस, हॅलो वर्ड प्रोग्राम मध्ये ऑल 4 पॉइंट वी विल ऍड इट. मिस म्हणजे काय, मी काय बोलले, हे 4 कॉम्पोनंट्स वी विल यूज इट होल प्रोग्राम. एव्हरी प्रोग्राम we will use it 4 components. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, all of you know about keywords,
Yeah, ma'am.
keywords, identifiers, literals and operators. Okay, what is keywords in Python? They are having the reserved words that convey the special meaning. Okay, we will not use it at the variable. Okay, it is reserved word. Okay, like tree, true, asset, else, global, for, trace, non-local, false, df, it is a function, finally, for, try, in. Okay, it is a reserved word that convey the special meaning for Python. Okay, next one, identifier. Identifier are the names or variable, function or object. What is the mean by identifier? Like number, digits, special character, like @ hash, modulo. Yes, am I right? Yes, we will not start the variable later. We will not cannot start with digit. Okay, they are having the sum of the rule of identifier. No special character except underscore. Okay, underscore will use it Python. It is run it the program. They are having no any issue. And identifier, it is case sensitive, and first letter should be Python, not be digit. Okay, cannot be a digit. Okay, showing as a error. If you are using ideally we open it. Okay, underscore a is equal to 10. Okay, and hyphen a, run it. They're having no any issue of underscore. Okay, if you write it 9, a is equal to Aksha, then run it. What is here? Invalid syntax. Okay, don't start your program variable should be cannot start with digit. Okay, all of you understood? Next one, literals. Literals will be define the data of given variable, like constant. We will write it, store it. Literals a is equal to hello world and b is equal to 3.14. All of you understood? Literals, we will define the data. Yes, somehow data of the Python. Okay, next one, operators. All of you know about plus, subtraction, multiplication and modulo. Okay, yes, all of you know about the C language, arithmetic operator comparison operator, assignment operators. Operators mean define the symbol which responsible for particular operation between two operands. Okay, means operator is a main builders. Okay, main pillars of the program. We will not start any program. We cannot start any program without using any operator. Okay, comparison operator, assignment operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, membership operator, and identify operator. Okay, next one, control structure. Okay, all of you see here, we will start our program control structure, but we will start it right now. Control structure, we will repeat it once again, what we'll study in the chapter. Okay, chapter not, we will study what we will study in right now. Okay, types of data type in Python, integer, float, boolean, string, आणि सगळ्यांनी हे परफॉर्म करायचे. कलेक्शन ऑफ डेटा टाइप ऑल प्रोग्राम मला सगळ्यांचे स्क्रीनशॉट माझ्या व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपला आले पाहिजे, पण सेपरेटली नाही. ऑल ऑफ यू लक्षात ठेवा, भरपूर कन्फ्युजन होण्यापेक्षा ESL 3 एकच ग्रुप करा, सगळ्यांनी ऍड व्हा आणि मला आज 5 वाजेपर्यंत सगळ्यांचे स्क्रीनशॉट आले पाहिजेत. कलेक्शन ऑफ डेटा टाइप होल प्रोग्राम सगळ्यांनी करायचे. मला काही एक्सक्यूज नकोय, मी हा केला नाहीये, मला हा करता आला नाहीये. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ वी विल गो फॉर कंट्रोल स्ट्रक्चर. ऑल ऑफ यू नो अबाउट कंट्रोल स्ट्रक्चर? येस, we will go for control structure, but first we will see what is the data type, what is the variable in Python. Data type means every variable we will associate some of the data, means some of the data type like integer, float, boolean, string. Yes, next one, collection data type, standard data type, numbers, sequence data type, boolean, set, and dictionary. Okay, next one, collection data type. Collection data type, all of you saw this diagram. First one, numeric, integer, complex number, float. Next one, dictionary, boolean, set, and sequence type, string, list, tuple. Okay, next one, sequence type. They're having the sequence. Why it is sequence type? Anybody want to say anything about why it is, ma'am, why it is sequence type? Why it is called a sequence type data type? Yes, anybody want to say like this? Yes, why, ma'am, it is a sequence data type? Why we call it sequence type of data type? String, list, tuple. Yes, anyone wants to? तुम्हाला कुणालाच क्वेश्चन नाही आला? Why it is sequence data type? Yes, yes, कुणालाच आला नाही? Why it is sequence type? We will store the data like 1, 2, 3 in your choice. Okay, user's choice. Okay, list also having the data with different type like numeric, string, character. Yes, and tuple also, it is collection atom of different data type like numeric numbers, string, character, same like comma and parenthesis. Okay, set, it is also unordered collection data type. Set is created by using built-in function set with curly braces. Okay, dictionary 1, 2, 3, that's like, and list and tuple. List is mutable, we will change it if possible to change, and tuple, it is immutable, they are having the some of this list having the syntax difference. Square bracket we will represent it, and tuples we will use it parenthesis. Okay, and list having variable length, and tuples having not having the fixed range. Okay, and why we need variable? We will store the value as a temporary basis. Okay, we will store the data of temporary basis. That's why we'll use variable like a and b. A and b, it is variable, and we will store the two value 10 and 20. Okay, next one, Python tokens. We will use it most of time, whole program, each and every program, smallest meaningful components in program. Okay, keywords, identifier, literals, and operators. Okay, keywords, it is a special reserved word in compiler. Identifier, use variable, function, object. See here, identifier, they're having not fixed range. Okay, they're having all numbers in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 200. There are all in numbers. Use it in Python, it is numbers. Okay, in alphabet A to Z, they are also one of the identifier. Yes, and then one less than, greater than, divide by. Yes, then minus, multiplication, division. Yes, this is also one of the identifier. Okay, see here, Python identifier does not having any fixed range. Okay, yes, all of you understood this point? Don't leave the session. And literals, we will define the data of the variables. And next one, operators. Operators are pillars from program on which logic will be specified. Okay, we will perform some of the operation using the use of operator. Okay, see here, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, assignment operator, logical operator, and bitwise operator, and membership operator, identity operators. Okay, then we will see the next lecture, control structure. Okay, okay, all of you start presenting A division. TYA. Don't put here, don't put in chat box. I am call your roll number. 1 absent, 2,
Present.
3 absent, 4,
Present.
5, 5 present, 6,
Present.
7, 7 absent, 8, 8, 9, absent, 10, absent, 11,
Present.
12.
Present, ma'am.
लक्षात घ्या, CR A आणि B division, do it one group as possible as same like 3 PM. 3 PM पर्यंत टाइम आहे, लगेच ग्रुप करा 2 मिनिटाच्या आत. 1 मिनिटाचं काम नाहीये ते. आणि मला ऍड करा, कोणत्याही याला यूज हे करा, फक्त सेपरेट आय एम दी ऍडमिन अँड यू ऑल्सो. ओके, to CR and all of you, and put it your screenshot, homework screenshot on that group. Okay, yes, all of you understood CR of A division and B division. Yes. Yes. Am I clear? Yes. Reply there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14, 15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23, 23, absent. 24,
Present, ma'am.
25, absent. 26, 26, 27,
Yes, ma'am.
28,
Yes, ma'am.
29, 29, absent. 30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present.
33,
Yes, madam.
34, 34, 35,
Present.
36,
Present.
37,
Present.
38, 39,
Present.
40,
Present.
41, absent. 42,
Present, ma'am.
43, 43, absent. 44, 45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47,
Present.
48,
Present, madam.
49, 49, 50, 50, 51.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
52 present, ma'am.
52 present. Okay, Omkar. Strength is 52. Okay.
Present, ma'am.
8 present.
Ma'am, 5
roll
present.
5 is present. Okay, I'm absent roll number. I'm call absent roll number right now. 1, 3, 7, 9, 10, 14, 23, 25, 26, 29, 34, 38, 41, 43, 44, 49, 50. Anyone present here? Okay. And right now, B division. B division. TYB. 1,
Present, ma'am.
2, 3, 4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6, 6, 7, 7. Roll number 7. Absent. 8.
Yes, ma'am. Present,
Aishwarya.
ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am,
7
I'm present.
8 present. 9.
Yes, ma'am, present.
9. Absent. 10. 10. Roll number 10. Absent. 11.
Yes, ma'am.
12.
Yes, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Yes, ma'am.
15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Present.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Yes, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23, 23, absent, 24, 24, 25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Present.
27, 20, yes, 28,
Present.
29, 29, 29 is present, absent, 30,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Ma'am, 31 present.
yes, 32, 33, absent, 34,
Present, ma'am.
present, 35,
Present.
36, 36, 37,
Yes, madam.
38,
Yes, madam.
39, 39, 40, 40, 40, 40, absent, 41, 41 present, okay, 42,
Yes.
43, 43, absent, 44,
Present, ma'am.
45, 45, 46, 47, 48,
Yes, ma'am.
49, 49 is present. No, okay. 50,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Absent roll number 2, 6, 9, 10, 23, 24, 29, 33, 36, 39, 40, 41, 43, 45, 46, 47, 49. This is the absent number. Tell me anybody present here.
Ma'am, 33 present.
43 present. And next roll number. Anyone present here?
Ma'am, 31.
31 present. Yes, I'm giving you time 5 minutes. B15 present. Yes, 33 present. Okay. Nikhil. 26. 26 also present here. Okay. Good day. Once again, happy Diwali. Okay. All of you. Okay. Thank you very much. And all of you, once again, happy Diwali. Safe Diwali.
Ma'am.
And also safe Diwali. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Session is over.